after you are done. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Due to the pandemic that we're living at the moment, I decided to do 3 DIY disinfectant from home. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I hope you'll enjoy. For the DIY hand sanitizer, you will need aloe vera leaves, alcohol, a blender, and a dispenser. Start off by peeling your aloe vera and measure the same amount of alcohol. Myself, I used 50% alcohol. You can use 70 or 75, it's even better. Then blend them both till fully mixed and pour it in a dispenser. And there you have it, a DIY aloe vera hand sanitizer. For the DIY lemon vinegar disinfectant, you will need lemons, limes, vinegar, a strainer, a jar, and a spray bottle. Cut your lemon and limes and place them in a jar. Then fill the jar with vinegar till all the lemon and limes are covered. Set it aside for a week. Strain it and put it in the spray bottle. You can use it around the kitchen to clean. It's safe to use around kids. For the DIY disinfectant wipes, you will need orange dish soap, water, bleach, polyester wipes, and an empty container. Mix 2 tablespoons of bleach in 2 cups of water and add a dash of dish soap. The orange kind remove the intense smell of the bleach. Cut your wipes into your desired size. Remove the middle of your wipes and fit it into the empty container. Then pour in your mixture. Let it sit so it can get all absorbed. You can use it in the washroom to disinfect. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Stay home, stay safe.